Yeah, welcome back to the Lakshmi Danti's art world. So today we are going beautiful seascape. So here this one the book I had kept in a landscape mode, and here I'm going to draw a line. I don't know whether is it visible to the camera or not. I don't know. Just I'm doing. After so long, I'm seeing all of you. And here just few to show the rock, and let's here we will show the waterfalls, just water, and this is an abstract one. Okay, so here is the sketch we had done. Now we will go further. Here I taken colors and okay, so here is the water, and I'm using synthetic hairbrush size 10. So here we are applying just plain water. I'm applying here until here. Until here I will apply, and here roughly, and here we want very loose technique, so just with lots of water to show the sky. This is the sky part we are doing, and no need to show more thick. If you want more thick, then we can use little bit of color, and only on the upper part we will do it. Lower part let it be white, I mean light blue. Okay, fine. So and next coming to the part, here we will go further, just applying same plain water. First we need to wash the brush very well, then applying here plain water. Now with the burnt umber, this is burnt umber in watercolors, and here we are just plain colors. And to show more depth, now I'm using this burnt sieana here to show the rocks. And now we'll go further. Round brush size 8, synthetic hairbrush. We need more thick shades, so here we'll go for it. On above burnt sienna, I'm applying here. Both the colors I will use here. It's an abstract one, as I said earlier. I'm mixing both burnt sienna and burnt umber. When it is wet, we need to do this. And here little more thick. And even here few just tones. Okay, I think this is enough. Fine. So now coming back to the water one. I'll just zoom it so that you can see more. Yes, little. Okay, fine. So here again, here we should be very careful as it has to dry, so I will use hair dryer to make it dry fast and so that I can go for the river part. Okay, now coming back, it's almost dried up. So here we'll just go for lots of water and Purssian blue. As I applied water there, so we should be very careful here. So just once it is done, that's it. Don't do it too many times so that it spoils the beauty. And even here. And once again coming to here, just I want to show the deeper things. So yes, fine, now it's visible, well visible. Okay, so once again, and here we'll take more color. More thick. In few areas we need to do it more thick, and few areas it's not required more thicker. Just a little water. And even here, this side also. Now we have done more thick parts here. So over here, just few thick lines. Okay, now with the plain water, we'll just drag it. Now here we need very less color and more water to show the light areas. More light, so just plain water is sufficient. Just dragging it down. So once again washing the brush and just drawing it, and this is an abstract, so and here again plain water. Even here same, just dragging it with the plain water. When the color is wet, we can do this. Just few lines over here. And to show more depth, and here just few rough sketch. And to show more depth again here, so we'll go for burnt sieana, little water, and here more thick layers. We should be very careful when giving the second coat, as it's paper come out chances are there, so just touch. Okay, so this is the thing. So I'll just bring it close to the camera, you can have a look. So here is the watercolor, abstract art, waterfalls, you can say it as waterfalls or anything. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'll just bring it once again close to the camera. You can have a look now. The strokes. Yes. Thank you very much for watching, and please, if you like the video, please like, share, and please subscribe and give the comments. Don't forget to give the comments and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.